Alright, welcome back everyone. Okay, so remember how we talked about commenting in the last tutorial? Well, let's do an example on how you'd actually comment effectively. So remember, in order to comment, you need to push the bracket, and then you need to add in the two minus signs, and then your comment is here. So a lot of times when you're programming, you need to actually go ahead and comment this out. And I'm just going to go and do that right now. So I'm going to push declare table. Remember, two minus signs, and then close that off there. Okay, and you can go ahead and you can push another comment here, and a lot of times you actually comment out every line, and I've done this before. You can say table row, and what this is that a lot of times the comments are actually a different color, so this is kind of confusing because everything's the same color, but a lot of times the comments are actually different color, right? And what this is that you can see that every line you see exactly what's going on, and this is table data, right? So table data, perfect. Simple enough. We have, so when you're looking at this, you can say this is the table, and we see the comment declare table. Here we have tr, which is table row, and we know exactly what that is. And again, you want to comment things out because again, you can go to lunch and forget what you've done before lunch, or go on a vacation and forget what you've done. So what you want to do is comment out as much as you can. And this is an example on how you comment. I'll see you guys in the next